Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me. Today, I'll be presenting an executive level overview of CyberHaven's cybersecurity program. This includes how we create and manage our security standards, our alignment with the NIST cybersecurity framework, risk management, incident response, and how our policies support our overall business objectives. This is designed to give you a clear understanding of where we are, where we're headed, and how cybersecurity supports CyberHaven's growth. Cyberhaven uses a structured governance process to create and update security standards. These are aligned with external regulations like HIPAA and PCI DSS, voluntary frameworks like NIST and iOS 27001, and our internal policies. Reviews happen annually or when there are major changes to our environment. Any updates go through a formal change board to ensure that technical and business impacts are fully understood and communicated. This keeps our standards current and aligned with industry best practices. We've structured our cybersecurity program around the NIST cybersecurity framework, which is built on five core functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Currently, we operate at Tier 2, risk informed, and are progressing towards Tier 3, which is more repeatable and mature. We've mapped our internal standards to NIST functions, ensuring consistency across operations. For example, we tie asset inventory to identify and incident response playbooks to respond. This gives us a clear structure for continuous improvement. Our cybersecurity program follows a clear life cycle: assess, plan, implement, monitor, and improve. We use methodologies like defense in depth and zero trust to build multiple layers of protection. Regular risk assessments and gap analysts help us identify where improvements are needed. Continuous monitoring gives us visibility into potential threats so we can act before incidents escalate. This structured approach ensures the security stays aligned with strategic initiatives as the business evolves. Our policies are designed to support the business, not restrict it. For example, Cyberhaven's lounge operations rely on secure payment processing, so we enforce PCI DSS standards. Our consultancy work involves remote teams, so we use VPNs and endpoint management to enable secure remote access. Every policy maps back to a business objectives, whether that's enabling sales, protecting customer trust, or ensuring compliance. This alignment is key to making cybersecurity a business enabler. This diagram gives a high-level look at our network. We segment public Wi-Fi for lounge customers from our internal business LAN and use firewalls and IDS/IPS at the perimeter. Remote access is handled through secure VPN and our backups are stored in the cloud. This layered architecture helps reduce attack surfaces and isolate incidents if they occur. It also supports our consultancy services by providing secure infrastructure for our client engagements. Our risk assessment identified three top threats: ransomware, insider threats, and unpatched systems. Our business impact analysis shows that payment systems, customer data, and consultancy platforms are our most critical assets. Our business continuity plan prioritizes these functions using off-site backups, alternate internet, and defined communication trees. We've set recovery time and point objectives for each critical area to guide decision making during disruptions. Our incident response plan follows 6 phases: preparation, detection, containment, eradication, recovery, and lessons learned. Each role is clearly defined, from the IR lead to legal and PR. We conduct phishing and ransomware tabletop exercises quarterly to keep teams sharp. The main goal is to reduce business disruption and protect our reputation if an incident occurs. We also feed lessons learned back into our standards and training programs. Employees are truly our first line of defense. We conduct regular training covering phishing, IoT security, mobile device use, and password hygiene. Our security awareness infographic is distributed quarterly and posted in high traffic areas such as the lounge and the office. For our development team, we integrate OWASP Top 10 risks into their training. This builds a strong security culture throughout the organization, just not in IT. To wrap up, Cyberhaven's program aligns with NIST SF legal standards and best practices. Our security policies support our strategic goals, not obstruct them. We have built strong governance, incident response, and resilience measures. The next step is to continue executive sponsorship and deepen the security culture across all business functions. This will help us stay resilient and competitive in both the physical and cyber domains.